Okay, so we've got a draft invoice set up, and we're just having a look. In our first line item, we've actually got our project location and description and the purchase order, if any. Okay, we've had to create a single unit, although it's not actually relevant information. It's just sort of solidifying all the standard. Now, as we come in, we're going to look at first our claim one. We've set up a spreadsheet to actually be able to assist and double calculate, but our first deposit of 20%, this field here, it needs to actually be updated to reflect the dollar values. Now that we've got that, that'll be consistent throughout these based on the spreadsheet and the calculation that you've performed. Then you'll be able to have, okay, so we're going to invoice, whoops. So let's say that we're going to actually invoice out the first line item. You'd actually just nominate the one, the rest of these would be 0, and that'll give us the net sum of what we're actually invoicing. I'll call it today. Now we can duplicate this, and on the next time around we would have 0 here and we would have 1 here. Again, we could duplicate once that's been sent, and 0 and 0. Again, that will refresh and actually only show or reflect the value of this particular invoice. And so we would flow through the actual invoice stages all the time that we're keeping consistency, and at no time therefore should the customer actually end up in what I'll call a dispute or a lack of understanding. We should have in effect found or cleared up any communication problems as we flow through. So that's the intention of that standard invoice for with our standard terms and conditions associated to such. Alrighty, again, all the best and success, and take care for now. Bye.